the losing team get into the ring, or get into the ring. They're goons to start punching people out, to start evening the odds, to gain some control. Subconsciously, that's what we're teaching our youth today. When the cards are stacked against you, start throwing these. I hope that you guys got something out of this presentation. I hope that you guys will be able to take it to your communities, help it grow, help it structure. I'd like to thank our sponsors, Finance First Nation Community, Northlands Community College for helping me with this presentation. Thank you.